I'm Dave Jobs, and I've been with OAC literally since birth. My dad was president of the company for 30 years, and I officially joined the company in 1990. So yeah, I have a strong sense of the tradition of the place. But here's the thing, at OAC, our tradition is innovation. And there's a particular innovation that I'm very passionate about. That's alternative delivery. Because when it comes to public projects, business as usual usually leads to problems. Let me explain. You have three main team members, your designer, your owner, and your builder. If for almost half of that project, one of your team members is not at the table, something's bound to go wrong. So you've completed the whole design phase, and only then you bring the contractor in based on the lowest cost, and then after that you find out you could have used different materials, you could have phased the project differently this way, and projects end up with siloed team members, adversarial relationships that result in claims, cost overruns, and schedule overruns. And frankly, it ends up being an experience that's miserable for everybody. Well, that's design, bid, build. A better way of doing it is to bring the contractor in early, and the earlier you bring them in, the better. In the energy services world, the contractor starts from the very get-go. They define the project with the owner, with the designer on board, and you end up with a project that's very predictable and no surprises. I'm really excited to see how much OAC has grown with alternative procurement methods. Matter of fact, we've done more alternative procurement projects in the state of Washington by far than any other entity. They got two courthouses. One is a GCCM and one is a design build. Courtrooms on the other side of a wall where you're working, abating hazardous materials, and there's judges and attorneys on the other side of the wall. You want to be very careful about what you do and obviously the noise you're making. Having the contractor with us to advise on the phasing and how to put together the approach to the design was critical. You know, when things just start rolling and they have their own energy and momentum, you have the right people at the table giving the right input, brainstorming ideas and innovative things. That's alternative delivery. The reason why people got into this business is more visible. You can see passion in people's eyes, and they're enjoying themselves, and they do a better job. And it's that simple. I'm not saying one model fits all, but I think this model should be a big part of the future. Everybody with a stake in the game should be in the game from the beginning. When that happens, you'll love the outcome.